Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your design tokens from Figma to JSON step by step clearly. Open your Figma project containing your design tokens. Identify the design tokens you want to backup. Select the layer or component that contains the tokens. Go to the right-hand Properties panel in Figma. Locate the section where your design tokens are defined, such as colors, typography, or spacing. Copy each token value you want to include in your backup. Open a text editor or a code editor of your choice. Create a new file and save it with a .json extension. Start by adding an opening curly brace to begin your JSON object. For each token, type the token name followed by a colon. Paste the corresponding value of the token after the colon. Separate each token with a comma. If you are defining tokens in categories, make sure to nest them accordingly using additional curly braces. Ensure that all keys are wrapped in double quotes. Close your JSON object with a closing curly brace. Check the syntax for any errors, ensuring that commas and quotes are used correctly. Once you are satisfied with the structure, save the file. Now, you have successfully backed up your design tokens from Figma to JSON. You can now use this JSON file in your development process or share it with your team. Feel free to refine and expand your token collection as needed in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.